Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make this pattern that's pretty cool. I've made something like this before, but never in a whole pattern like this. But they're using the blend tool and it's just not working for them. So they drew a 4-inch block with my ratio locked. I want to make it for size, doesn't really matter. But then they take that, let's put it in the center of the page, and they Control D and make a duplicate, and holding down the shift key, bring it into it's really small. And then they're rotating it, let's say 45 degrees. They're trying to get this thing to blend like kind of in a pattern. And I just happen to have done this before and played around with it a lot. So if you go to effects and blend, and let's blend 35 times, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty unique, but it really doesn't start rotating right off the bat. You can see as it gets later, it kind of rotates. So the way I suggest to do it is just to take this 4-inch block, and you know what? So I've made it smaller. So let's make it 4 inches to begin with, or any size. So it's 100%. Size doesn't really matter. And I'm going to hit P. And I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm going to make it 98% and rotate it 1 degree. In this particular case, it doesn't matter if it's touching. It's not, but it might later. And then Control D again. Well, I need to start over because once I paused. So Control D, let's go 97% and rotate 1 degree. Then I could Control D again, and it's going to keep angling that thing, and you can make your little box as little as you want it. Now, I played around with this before, and I never wanted the things to be touching, and they really don't in this case, so it's perfect. Now I'm going to take it, and I'm going to right-click black, maybe make a little bit thicker line. And you see that pattern. Now I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, get the two-sided arrow, and just bring it over. You don't really want to just make a duplicate. Well, you could, and then nudge it over 4 inches, because I don't think you're going to get the same pattern. See, that's different. To me, I mean, it's okay, but by doing this, Control D, and mirroring it this way, you get a continuation pattern. Now you can Control D again and bring it over. I didn't do a very good job. I selected. I'm going to have to back up. Control D again, getting the two-sided arrow. Let's get it off that yellow. And you could go as far as you wanted to it. Then Control D and get the two-sided arrow. Now you can't just go Control D because it's going to jump there. So you have to keep mirroring it. Control D, two-sided arrow, and you get that pattern. The only reason I put yellow behind this one is hopefully to make it show up a little bit. You could take the whole thing and give it a different color outline. That's terrible. That's not too bad. Black's going to be your best, I think, in this case. Now, the only thing I don't like about this pattern is the one line that's kind of straight because of cubes. I've tried deleting it, and then there's just a space there. So it's but it is a pretty cool pattern. I'm glad he had the idea, and I hope I helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.